हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A for ant, tiny and small. B for boat, sailing for all. C for car, driving fast on. And D for duck, swimming at last. E for egg, white and round. F for frog, jumping on ground. G for goat, munching hay. Or H for house, where we stay. I for ink, in the pen. J for jar, full again. K for key, opens the door. L for lamp, light on the floor. M for mat, we sit and play. N for nose, smelling the day. O for owl, hoo at night. P for pot, cooking so right. Q for quilt, warm and tight. R for rain, shiny and bright. S for star, twinkling high. T for top, spinning by. U for urn, water inside. V for vase, flowers in pride. W for wall, standing tall. X for box, a gift for all. Y for yarn, soft and long. Z for zoo, with animals strong. Now we learned our ABC. Clap and sing with you and me.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।